Hello, and thank you for taking the time to participate in this research study. The information provided from bloodstain patterns has been used in criminal investigations and courtrooms since the late 1800s. As scientific evidence, it has been subject to the different admissibility standards that have evolved in the U.S. criminal justice system. The Frye standard essentially evaluated if the science used was generally accepted by the scientific community. For the most part, bloodstain pattern analysis testimony has not undergone a significant challenge through the Frye standard. In the early 1990s, a civil case re-evaluated scientific expert testimony. Daubert versus Merrill Dow Pharmaceuticals Incorporated changed the admissibility of scientific evidence to include a more detailed evaluation of the methodology of the technique. According to Daubert, the procedure used for the analysis had been tested, subject to peer review, have a defined and predictable error rate, and be generally accepted. Not every state uses Daubert. Some use Frye or even a combination of Frye and Daubert. Any case tried on the federal level must use the Daubert standard. For the states that are affected by Daubert, techniques such as bloodstain patterns must demonstrate an error rate which can be challenging. The Daubert decision does not define what they mean by the term error rate. This preliminary study will evaluate the error rate associated with the first step of bloodstain pattern analysis, basic pattern recognition. The survey will be divided into two parts. Even though your name will not be associated with your test results, the survey will obtain information about your background and experience. These basic questions should take less than 10 minutes to answer. In the next part of the survey, you will be shown a bloodstain pattern created in a laboratory setting. Since there are many terminologies used to describe bloodstain patterns, we will not use terminology to define the pattern. Instead, you will indicate what mechanism created the pattern. You will be given 15 patterns to evaluate. A text box will be under each pattern where you can describe the mechanism. This should take you about 10 minutes to complete. Once you start the survey, you must complete it all at once. Please leave 20 to 25 minutes for the entire process. If you don't have enough time now, please stop now and return when you can complete the entire survey. Again, we would like to thank you for your help. All study participants will receive an email summarizing the results after this study is complete. If you have any questions about the study, please contact us via email at bloodstain